Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to fix the PayPal can't send money right now error. First, always confirm you have enough money in your PayPal balance or linked bank account to cover the payment. A common reason for this error is insufficient funds. Next, carefully verify the recipient's email or phone number. A simple typo can prevent the transaction. Finally, log into your PayPal account and check for any urgent messages or notifications. Many sending issues stem from an unverified account. Verifying your identity, often by linking a bank account or credit card, can significantly increase your transaction limits, allowing you to send up to $60,000 per transaction. Also, ensure all your linked payment methods, like debit or credit cards, have current information, including the correct billing address and expiration date. PayPal's security system may flag transactions as potentially risky, leading to temporary limitations. Review your PayPal Resolution Center for any specific actions needed to clear these flags. Factors like sending a very large sum or unusual activity from a new device can trigger these checks. Resolving these often involves providing additional information to confirm your identity. If the problem persists, try some technical troubleshooting. Clear your internet browser's cache and cookies, or switch to a different browser entirely. Sometimes, using the PayPal mobile app can bypass browser-related glitches. If you've tried all these steps and still cannot send money, reach out to PayPal customer support. They can investigate account-specific issues that require manual review.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.